Welcome to the BizApps Unlocked DataCapsule demo. In this demo, we're going to go through the installation of DataCapsule, then walk through the configuration, and finally we're going to test the backup to confirm the backup completed. To start this installation, though, we need an Azure subscription. You can see I have one, and in my subscription I need a resource group. So I'm going to go into my resource group, and I'm going to go to the marketplace by hitting the Create button. Once I'm in the marketplace, I'm going to start searching for DataCapsule. That search will bring up DataCapsule by BizApps Unlocked. You can see it listed there. So I'm going to select that item in the search response, and we're going to go ahead and start the installation from here. Once I hit that Create button, Azure is going to initiate the process of setting up the installation. First thing I need to do is select the region I want to install. Hint, make sure it's in the same region as Business Central. Then I'm going to insert the names I want for the resources that are listed there. Make sure it's just a naming convention that makes sense to you. In the grand scheme of things, it doesn't really matter that much to DataCapsule, but it should make sense to you. We're going to leave the Managed Resource Group alone and hit Next. DataCapsule uses two storage accounts. The hot storage account is used to export data from Business Central. The cold storage account is where that backup is then moved to for long-term storage. So we're going to name the two storage accounts and then select the storage account type. You can see that we have the standard Azure storage account types available to us. You just need to select the type that is best suited for your needs. And contact your IT or your MSP to make the best decision on the type of storage account that you want. Once we have those defined, we're going to go ahead and hit Next. Now we're presented with some contact information. We're going to fill this in, and this information is just used by BizApps to first link your information up to any existing accounts within our systems, so we can just kind of make sure everything is tied together on our end. And second, just for support purposes, so we can have your contact information when we need to support you in the long run. So we're going to go ahead and fill this information in, and then hit Next. This brings us to the final step in our installation process, where we're going to review all the information that we've entered. We're going to make sure it's correct, and then we're going to check the box saying that we agree to the terms and conditions, and again, give everything one final review. And then we're going to hit the Create button down on the bottom left of the screen, and that'll kick off the installation process. Once we hit that Create button, Azure is going to kick off the installation process, and with the magic of video, something that can probably take a few minutes is going to be done in just a couple of seconds for us. And here it is, our installation is complete. Now we can move on to the configuration steps.